to our channel.
And for today's video, we are at the Goan room. It is a local restaurant here and which serves some amazing local cuisines, and especially you should come here if you want to try their fish thali. So we'll be eating all of this and giving you a complete review about the place and also the kind of food that they have here to offer. So this place is right next to the Donapola Circle, and if at all you are coming here to the beach side, then it's right on the same road. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also do click on that notification bell icon to get notified every single time we make new videos. So let's get started.
Yeah, masks on, let's go.
So this is the road that leads you to the Donapola beach and the jetty as well. So here you have a lot of your shopping that you can do for your cashew nuts and souvenirs and all of that. So from that side, if you enter, that is the main Donapola Circle. So that's the circle right there, and it is hardly not even 20 meters. So this is the restaurant that we'll be having our lunch at. Okay, so Len and I ordered for all of this that you can see here. So what did you order for Len?
I actually ordered chicken biryani. It's been a long time since I had biryani, that's why.
Okay, so here we have the, it's called the Patrao Thali, which is slightly bigger compared to the other one. And we also ordered for this one, which is the Goan fish thali, which is the regular. So in this thali that you can see, so in this thali you get white rice, and then you have prawns curry. Yeah, so this is the prawns curry, and then you have, this is kind of a fish curry, and these are crabs, and then you have the clams, which is called, I think, tisur, and then you have a vegetable, and there's another vegetable, and this is the kokum water, and then you have a little salad of cabbage and onions, and here you have a sweet for your dessert. And interestingly, this is some sort of a potato is what the guy said. Okay, so it's rava fried, and these are kingfish, as you can see, and this is your a patty. It's like a cutlet. Let me just break and show you what it looks like on the inside. So here you have your prawns mixed with vegetables, onions and potatoes. And it's the similar kind of a thing in this thali as well, except you don't have the crab and you don't have the prawn patty cutlet kind of a thing. Len, would you like to explain what do you have?
Yeah. Okay, so as I said, I am having
chicken biryani.
Yeah.
Okay, would you like to serve?
Yeah.
So let's dig in. I am super duper hungry, and how about you, Len? You're hungry too, I think.
Oh my god, I was waiting for this chance.
Okay, so yeah, taste
Go
it.
ahead, you can eat.
Taste and tell them how it is.
Okay, I'm just Nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just, as you can see, the chicken is quite tender.
Yeah.
So let me taste it.
It's been such a long time.
I ate a clove in the first month. Very nice.
Oh.
It's more of
my
a,
God.
it's like a Hyderabadi biryani. It's really nice. I like it. So that's a thumbs up. Okay, so let's move on to the fish thali that we have here. Wow, very nice. The gravy is slightly spicy for me, but I think it's medium spice. And this is coconut based, so it's really watery and quite nice. It's a bit spicy for me though. Okay, so here we have, I don't know what this is. This is fish as well. I really don't know what's the name of this one, but if you know, do comment and let me know. This is kind of sweet and spicy at the same time. And here we have the crabs, so you've got to get messy when you eat crabs. And this is the tismore, as they call it in the local language, which is your clams. So you just do this, you take it out like this and eat them, and then you throw away the shell. That's really nice too. So let me taste this is a bhaji. This has loads of onions in it. And I think I'm getting a hint of fish or something which is in there. And this is your beans. Really, really nice. Now let me go straight to this. This is what I was actually waiting for. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So let me take a bite. Wow. Really nice. Then would you like to try? Take a bite. It's nice, right? It's very mildly spiced and really nice. So I think this kind of looks like yam or something. Okay, so this is, I forgot what it's called, but I think, it is one of the locally grown fruits, which is green in color. I totally skipped my mind what it's called, but I've made this once at home as well. Really nice. And of course you have your kingfish here, which is the most famous thing that you should be trying. Okay, so the kingfish is really fresh. It's not over fried. It still has all its juices in it, mildly spiced. I think this is like a wholesome, heavenly meal. Now let me try the crabs. Crabs can get a little tricky when you're actually, Okay, so let me try getting a piece of meat. I personally love eating crabs, especially the blue crabs that you get. These are a little tiny, so you can actually just, bite them and then suck out all the juices and then maybe spit it out. But wow, the gravy is so heavenly. Really nice. I really like it here. Okay, so I've got some meat. Very nice. So let's move on to the other fish, which is here. which Kiran has ordered. And this is supposed to be the black salmon. It's boneless. Wow. This is really good as well. I think I can't really compare the kingfish in that. They're almost in the same, points that they get. But I think the kingfish takes it slightly because it's more fuller when you eat and you bite into it. So let me finish and then I will show you what is the menu and what is the pricing like. Okay, so for this thali, the patrao thali, we've paid around 305 rupees. And for this regular kingfish thali, it is around 190 rupees. And for the chicken biryani, I think it's around 270, but if I'm wrong, I'll put it up on the video for you. So let me finish, let's dig in. Oh, you've started already. So you can pause and also have a look at the pricing. The pricing, in my opinion, is pretty decent. It's not, overly priced or anything like that. There's definitely value for money and, for the taste and quality as well. So the liquor here as well is not overly priced. It's pretty decent compared to most of the places. And the food is great. So we were super stuffed with all the yummy food that we had on our plates, and in fact we couldn't really finish all of it, so we packed some and taking it back home as well. So the value for money, 10 on 10. The food as well was great. I would rate it 9 on 10. Everything that we ordered, including the chicken biryani, I didn't really know what to expect, but that really turned out to be quite nice as well. So if at all you are close to Panjim, then you should try this restaurant, because especially if you are coming towards Donapala, to the jetty or the Donapala beach, this is a place that you should be visiting. It's a nice eat out. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also do click on that notification icon to get notified every single time we release new videos. And if you like today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Anything else you want to say?
You told everything. Told everything.
Okay, so until we meet again in our next video, bye. You want to say bye at least?
Bye.
Bye.